Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today another midweek delicious recipe that you can make. I've just got back from work. I'm going to knock this together. All the ingredients are ready to go. Now if you have a look down here, I'll tell you exactly what you need. We've got some fresh coriander, a little bit of garlic, a couple of teaspoons of garlic, some very finely chopped red onion. We're going to garnish with some of this beautiful spring onion, which I've cut long ways. I've done that for a reason, just to give it a bit of sort of different feel about it. We're going to use some Australian lemon myrtle. We've got some coconut cream there. We're going to use fresh cream. We're going to use some coriander and also some fresh ginger. Now our thickening agent in this is going to be a little bit of flour. You'll see that happen in a minute. Over here I've got a pan going, all right? So just warm that up slightly. Okay, get your rice in the rice cooker first. It's still going away. Once it hits the warm setting, you know it's done. So I've got a couple of cups of rice in there. The star of the show, these beautiful prawns. 300 grams of prawns. You want about a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to toss in our onion. Now, depending on how much onion you like, I'm just going to put it all in. I love onion. Toss all that in. That's half an onion. I'll just toss that around. I've got the heat on nice and low now. In with our garlic. Now we're going to toss our prawns in. 300 grams of prawns. You can use less if you want to. And this is a very quick, easy dish, made in a few minutes. We're going to use a little bit of our coriander, pop that in, say around about a tablespoon of this fresh coriander. You can call it fresh. There's the product there. If you want to go ahead and use it, it's already done for you, it's quite easy. Same again, a little bit of ginger. Maybe half a teaspoon. Now, my thickening agent is a touch of flour. Maybe about a half a tablespoon. Now, at this stage you want to cook everything out. Get that flour cooked out a little bit. I'm going to add some fresh coriander now. I'm going to save some for the garnish. Alright, so toss a little bit of that in. Beautiful. And my secret ingredient here, lemon myrtle. It's going to give the prawns a little bit of a hint of lemon. Just a sprinkle of that. I don't know, maybe half a teaspoon. And let all of this cook through. We're going to add some coconut cream. Now this is going to depend on how thick you want the sauce. But this is a 270ml can. Probably going to add just only half of that. Pour that in. Smelling absolutely fantastic. You can see that the flour is starting to thicken those up. Now let's turn that gas down just slightly. Add a touch of normal cream, just thickened cream. Around about 200 mils. Turn my gas down now. I don't want to overcook these prawns. You've got that beautiful flavour through there. Now, depending on how thick you want your sauce, if it's a little bit thick, you can add some more cream. I'm going to do that right now. I'm actually going to add more coconut to it as well, because I think it's just a little bit thick. Touch more cream. Want to taste the consistency and the seasoning. That is just absolutely beautiful. So we're going to let that simmer away now, just so those onions cook a little bit more. And then we're going to plate it up. I've got some lovely rice. Got my garnish ready. I've got a little bit more of this fresh coriander, which we're going to use. We're going to be back in a moment. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be bloody delicious. It's so easy to make. You can make it at home in less than 20 minutes. Guys, it's ready for the taste test. The rice has come out of the rice cooker. Nice and fluffy. ready to go. Have a look over here. Just turn the gas off now. Beautiful sauce is ready. Onions are nice and soft. Beautiful flavors through there. I've got my garnish ready to go, which is green onion and some coriander. Now, let's get it all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the center of the table. This is a little entree that 4 people can have. You can have it as a main course. Okay, now the garnish. Beautiful spring onions on the top. Take this to the table. Your guests are going to love you. A little bit more. And then that color contrast is that coriander breaking up the light green and the dark green together, giving that lovely contrast. Just like that. Okay. Alright guys, this is my garlic prawn with coriander, fresh garlic, a little bit of ginger. I didn't put any chili in. Sometimes people don't like chili. I didn't add that. And I didn't put any wine in because I've been drinking the wine as I go, having a great time, and so can you. Look at this. A little bit of rice. And we'll give it a bit of a taste test. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to take this now. I'm going to go eat and have a little glass of Chardonnay with this. Give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks guys. I'll see you next week. Have a great week and stay safe.